So recently, I noticed that people still download their data from Google Sheets into Microsoft Excel before connecting to Power BI. And you know that once you input new data into Google Sheets, you always have to download it back. Let me show you one simple trick that you can use to connect to data from Google Sheets to Power BI to create your reports. So first of all, when you come to your Google Sheets data, you open up the sheets like this, and once you click on File tab, you scroll down to where you have Share. So under Share, you go to the second option, which is Publish to Web. So once you click on Publish to Web, this is very important. So you have option of link and of course embed. So under this link, you notice you have an option to share the entire document, or you select a single sheet which you want to connect to, or if you're sharing the link to other people, you want them to connect to only one sheet. You don't want them to see any other data. So you can select. So let's say I want to select sales data. I select it, and under the embed option, you come over here and select comma separated values. Once you're done, you click on publish. So once you publish, you click to publish. It's going to show you the link of this published content. So I'm going to copy this link. So this link is what I'll copy here, and once I copy the link, I can close this. Once I copy that link, I'll come over to Power BI, and under Power BI, I'll click on Get Data Feature, then I'll select Web. When I select that, I'm going to just wait for this to open up. So once I select that, I'm going to input the URL that I copied right here and click OK. So on this dialog box, you're going to select this and select the last link. Select the last link and click to connect. You just wait for a few seconds for the connection to be established. And then once the connection is established, you can actually see your data right here directly from Google Sheets. So you can load this data, you can transform it, use it to create reports. So the beautiful thing here is that once you connect this data like this, anytime you input new data into that Google Sheet, it's automatic. You can refresh it automatically, so you do not need to download data into Microsoft Excel before you create reports in Power BI.